Hello friends, welcome back to Notebook. Have you ever been to a West Bengal village and seen the paddy crops swaying gently in the breeze? Have you seen the mustard farms in Punjab resplendent in brilliant yellow? Have you ever seen a sugarcane plantation in Uttar Pradesh or a coffee plantation in Coorg? No? They are all results of agriculture, and that is what we shall cover in this video and the next. Stay with us for a wonderful journey. Ever wondered where the rice or roti on your plate comes from? Or the vegetables, fish and fruits that we all take for granted? Yes, they are all results of agriculture. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. It is also known as farming. The word agriculture is derived from the combination of the Latin words ager or agri, meaning soil, and culture or cultura, meaning cultivation. Economy is divided into three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary. Extraction of raw materials and production of natural resources are classified as primary sector. Manufacturing, that is, processing of resources obtained from primary sector activities, is classified as secondary sector. And services like insurance, banking, tourism and retail are classified as tertiary sector. Agriculture therefore comes under the primary sector. Other examples of primary sector activities are fishing, gathering and extraction of mineral ores. The land on which crops are cultivated is called arable land. Here's the distribution of arable land across the world. You can see that there are several regions in the world which do not have arable land at all. That map makes it obvious that there are certain factors that affect agriculture. Crops can be cultivated only when some or all of these factors are favorable. Let us find out what these factors are. The type, quality and quantity of crops produced in a place are decided by the type and fertility of the soil, the slope or gradient of the land, the climate and agricultural reforms and development. As we talk about agriculture, let us take a quick look at some other related fields, all in the primary sector. These are sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture and horticulture. Going back to agriculture, also known as farming, you can think of it as a system. This system, called farm system, does what every other system does. It takes inputs, processes those inputs and finally produces its output. Great! But what are those inputs, processes and output? Here, they are on your screen. The inputs can be classified as human inputs and physical inputs, which grow through several processes and finally result in the output that we use and consume. The word farming sounds simple enough, but there are variations throughout the world based on geographical conditions, availability of labor, level of available technology, and demand for output. Broadly, however, agriculture or farming can be divided into two types: subsistence farming and commercial farming. We shall take these up in the next video. Till then, do go through the notes and the question bank compiled specially for you.